Ever wondered why a site with stellar content doesn't rank high on search engine results? The culprit often lies in overlooked technical SEO aspects. Technical SEO, a subset of search engine optimization, concerns itself with the under-the-hood elements that help search engines crawl, interpret and index a website. It lays the groundwork for the visibility of a site, yet it can seem daunting to many. But fear not, for we're about to break this down into manageable steps. Step 1. Ensure the site is crawlable. Search engines use bots, often referred to as spiders, that crawl through the web's vast network of links. The first step in technical SEO involves making sure these bots can find and access all the important pages on a site. Step 2. Optimize the site's structure. A clear, logical structure not only aids users in navigation but also helps search engines understand the site's content. A site map becomes crucial here, acting as a guide for both users and search engine bots. Step 3. Speed up the site. In the digital world, speed is key. A slow-loading site can frustrate users and deter search engines. Compress images, minify code, and leverage browser caching to ensure a swift site. Step 4. Make the site mobile-friendly. With a majority of web browsing happening on mobile devices, optimizing a site for mobile has become a non-negotiable aspect of technical SEO. Step 5. Secure the site. Transitioning from HTTP to HTTPS adds a layer of security, instilling confidence in users while also earning brownie points with search engines. Step 6. Optimize for local search. If a business has a physical location, optimizing for local search can drive significant traffic. This involves setting up a Google My Business account and ensuring consistent name, address and phone number information across the web. Step 7. Implement schema markup. This form of microdata helps search engines understand the site's content and provide more informative results to users. To recap, implementing technical SEO involves ensuring crawlability, optimizing site structure, speeding up the site, making it mobile-friendly, securing it, optimizing for local search, and implementing schema markup. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in helping a site rank higher on search engine results. Remember, while content might be king, technical SEO forms the castle that houses this king. Without a sturdy castle, even the most powerful king can falter. So take the time to build and fortify this castle and watch as the kingdom of search engine results becomes yours to rule. In the ever-evolving realm of SEO, technical aspects can often seem intricate and overwhelming. But with a clear understanding and step-by-step approach, mastering these elements becomes a breeze, paving the way for a site's success in the digital world. So put on that technical SEO hat and start optimizing today for a better ranking tomorrow.